American 762, pit tower, fly runway heading 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading clear for takeoff, 28 right, American 762.
American 762, turn left heading 190, contact departure.
Left 190, American 762.
Contact departure. American 762, contact departure.
To departure, American 762.
American 762, Pit, are you up?
American 762, stand by.
Departure, American 762.
American 762, Pit.
Yeah, we're having a problem with our bleed system. We're going to need to go back to Pittsburgh.
American 762, roger, clear to the Pittsburgh Airport via radar vector, turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 4000. Expect vectors for the ILS, and straight left, following Pittsburgh.
That's 090, down to 4000. We'll expect you on the way 28 left, American 762.
Are you declaring an emergency?
Not at this time.
American 762, roger, and do you need any assistance when you land?
No, we don't need any assistance. This plane was in maintenance, and looks like we just don't have any bleed air to either engine, so we're just going to go back and have them turn it back on.
American 762, roger, and information Quebec is turn at Pittsburgh.
All right, we're good, Quebec, thanks.
American 762, descend and maintain 4000, turn left heading 060.
Down to 4000, 060, American 762.
American 762, descend and maintain 3000.
Down to 3000, American 762.
American 762 is 6 miles from Pitt. Turn left heading 310. Cross Pitt to 3000. Pitt ILS runway 2 left approach.
Okay, 3000, cross pitch to 3000, clear for ILS 28 left, American 762.
American 762, are you established?
762.
American 762, roger, contact Pittsburgh Tower on 128.3, have a good day.
283, American 762, bye, talk to you later.
American 762, are you up?
Tower, American 762, is with you for 28 left.
American 762, pit tower, clear to land, runway 28 left, wind 1603.
Clear to land 28 left, American 762.
American 762, ground point 9.
Ground point 9, American 762, takeoff. Ground American 762 off Fox 5.
American 762, Pittsburgh Ground, cross runway 28 center at Victor, taxi Echo Delta 1 to the ramp.
Cross 2800 Victor and Echo Delta 1 to the ramp, American 762.